Alright guys, what we're going to do today is we're doing a little sound test for Stephen Merritt. He wants to know if this JME drone is louder than the Spark, and I'm going to throw the Anafi in there as a bonus. I don't have one of those decibel meters yet, but you know, I do have a set of ears and a microphone, so the way I'll edit the video is I'll have the one showing up there and then the other one will pop in. And so you'll be able to, you'll be able to tell how loud they are as far as knowing what the difference is, you know. So I'll just get them all fired up here. You know, all these quadcopters, you can fly them without using the phones, so it's not really, it's not that really big of a deal. They'll all bind up after a little bit. The DJI one, when that turns green, then you know it's bound to that one. This one's already ready. And this one will say, JME ready.
JME is ready.
There you go. Okay, it's ready. Okay, let's get the show on the road. I think the JME is going to be the louder of these. Maybe not. You know, I'm on that brown carpet, guys, and you know what happens with these things on this brown carpet. They start acting stupid. Okay, we heard that one. Now let's check the Spark. The Sparky. Oh. I would say this is about as loud. It's going to be close. Let's put it that way. I think it's a little quieter, though, than the JME, to be honest with you. Hello, Spark. Okay, we'll just cut that. And that's the first time I've flown it since the update. I got to make an update video on that. And now we'll try the Anafi. You can even hardly hear this thing. It's so quiet. That's the most quiet one by far. So, if you're going by that, quiet is the way to go, then the Anafi has got them all beat. And this is indoor, so it's going to be louder in here than it would be outside. You know, you're not going to hear, you're going to hear it way less outside because of all the ambient noise and all that other crap. Inside here, this is, you know, echo chamber, so in here it would be, you know, at its loudest. So I just love this thing, man. This thing is badass. I'm gonna figure out how to do that flight plan. I was thinking about trying to do a flight plan from here all the way to Monroeville Mall and back. It's like 1 mile diagonally. I thought it would be cool to do that. I just got to find the right spot to take off. But that flight plan looks really cool. All right, boys. So there you had it, the sound test of those 3 amigos. And there you go, Stephen. I'll talk to you later.